Top 5 Best Silicone Baking Mat 2025.
Number 5.
Baking and cooking smart means choosing tools that are eco-friendly, versatile, and designed to last. And the silicone baking mat is a perfect example of that shift. Whether you're a home baker, a culinary enthusiast, or someone who just wants to stop scraping burnt food off baking trays, this simple yet powerful mat is a game changer in modern kitchens. Culinary enthusiast, or someone who just wants to
Number 4.
stop scraping burnt food off baking trays, this simple yet powerful mat is a game changer in modern kitchens. Made with premium food-grade silicone reinforced with fiberglass mesh, the silicone baking mat is designed to deliver perfect results without the mess. You no longer need parchment paper, foil, or greasy sprays. Just place the mat on your baking tray and enjoy effortless cooking, baking, and roasting with consistent results every time.
Number 3.
What is a silicone baking mat? A silicone baking mat is a reusable, non-stick sheet made from high-temperature safe silicone. It fits perfectly on standard-sized baking pans and can withstand oven temperatures up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit, 250 degrees Celsius. Whether you're baking cookies, rolling dough, making candies, or roasting vegetables, this mat provides a clean, even cooking surface that doesn't stick or burn.
Number 2.
Of the silicone baking mat. Checkmark 1. Non-stick surface. You'll never need butter, oil, or baking spray again. The food effortlessly lifts off, leaving no residue behind. Cookies slide off, cheese doesn't stick, and caramel doesn't burn or glue to the surface. Checkmark 2. Eco-friendly and reusable. One silicone mat can replace thousands of sheets of parchment paper or aluminum.
Number 1.
Alternative that helps you save money while reducing your environmental footprint. Checkmark 3. Durable and long-lasting. Built with reinforced fiberglass mesh, this mat retains its shape and performance over time. It can be reused up to 3,000 times without warping, melting, or losing its non-stick quality. Checkmark 4. Heat-resistant and versatile. Safe for ovens, microwaves,